Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here. Today I'm doing a layout for two different challenges. One is the Mixed Media Mayhem challenge where we need to use stencil, tearing and multiple photos. And the second one is the Iron Crafters, and for that one we need to use Nuvo drops. So what I'm doing is my multi-photos are these three photos, and then I'm keeping it really simple with embellishments. I have a stencil here that I made myself. Now I used this with brown ink once before, so I'm hoping that the brown doesn't transfer, but if it does, it's not a terrible thing. I'm using the Nuvo drops as a stencil paste, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, haven't done that before. Fingers crossed it works. The papers I'm using are basic grey. This is an old one, acid washed Dawson collection, and then a Bo Bunny Americana on one side, Liberty Dot, and then I'm using the reverse side, and I'm aiming to use the sides of it where it's got, I don't know if you can see, but it's got like a little dot pattern and a slight, it's red but it could pass as an orange. And I thought that looked like the texture of a basketball, so I thought that would be good to put down either side of this one. My embellishments, like I said, are going to be really simple. I don't have anything basketball themed, so I went to Cricut Access and I found these. So yes, this is on a brother mat, but that's so that I can just keep everything together until I need to put it on the layout. So I don't use my brother scan and cut very much anymore. Wonder why? Because I got this fantastic Cricut with fantastic design access. It's got everything in it I could want. But anyway, so this is my brother mat, and it's not really sticky anymore. So I thought, well, if I leave things sitting on here, it keeps them controlled and in order until I want to use them. And then these two basketballs here, the sections inside I wanted orange, so they're still on my Cricut mat. And also I cut out a circle the same size as this because this didn't have a backing. It just cut out the same as these, I guess. It just cut out the, what am I trying to say, the top. So I thought rather than fiddle around with these little bits, I would just put a circle behind it and then put the basketball grid on top, and then that would be my basketball. So these ones are not so small, so they're easier just to stick in. So that's the idea for them. Alright, now what else? I think that was all I wanted to say. So I'm going to just get on with it now, and I will come back when it's done. If you have any questions about anything that I am going to do, or that I do, or anything I use, then please don't be afraid to leave a comment and ask a question. And if there's anything that I think might be relevant as I go along making this layout, then I'll just pop back in with a voiceover and wait, hang on, I need to do it this way, and yeah, have a little chat about what it is. Now what I wanted to try first up is this Nuvo drops, just putting a little bit on the back of my spatula here and thinking about where my paper's going to be down here. So I want sort of a little bit up at the sides. Now I don't know if this is going to work, and I'm not being very successful with this, so I just got a whole heap there on that bit, so I don't know if this is going to work. Who knows? Trial and error is what we're all about. There we go. That's not going to work. I may have to use my finger to smush it in. Do you reckon that'll work? Let's give it a go. It's probably my template actually. So these don't come out very big, do they? Whoops. Okay, that is much better. Means I'm going to get dirty, but anyway, we'll see. Right, my fat head's probably in the way. Okay, there's my page. The stenciling came out really cool using the Nuvo drops. It's actually shiny. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it looks really, really cool. And there's a build up around the edge of the stencils, around each brick, sorry, and that looks really cool. So I'm pleased with how that came out, and I met all the criteria. For the mixed media Mayhem, we needed to use stenciling, tearing, and multiple photos. And for the Iron Crafters Challenge, we needed to use Nuvo drops. So I've combined the two, and I think it worked successfully. I wasn't sure this heading was going to stand out enough, but I rearranged it so that it's all together, like let's do this, and hopefully that reads like that and it reads okay. And my journaling will go down here. So there you go. Make sure you check out below both playlists. There will be a mixed media playlist and an Iron Crafters Challenge playlist. Go and see what everyone else has done. Like and subscribe to them. Leave them a comment. Show them some love. If you've enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe and hit that notify bell so you know when my next video is coming out, or comes out, sorry. Yeah, and do all the things. Thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.